Hello friends, admin Sunny here. You are watching Sunny's Science and Technology Tips YouTube channel, and in this video I will going to tell you in both the language, in English and as well as in Hindi. So first I will going to discuss it in both the languages, in English and Hindi. So what you have to do, if you are facing that your laptop or your say PC computer is getting slower and slower day by day, even after you purchased a new PC. So how can you solve and overrule the problem of so many old files just collected inside your system, but you don't know because you are fairly new or you are not technically so sound about it. So what you have to do, just maintain one thing as I am telling you one by one. Let's start this video now. What simply you have to do, just go over here as by the arrow I am showing you and open this box, and here you have to write in capital run, RUN, and then hit the enter. And here now I will going to tell you what is this small building this, or you can say window all about. Here you have to write the first letter, that is clean MGR, and then OK, and then OK. It will clean up all the useless and senseless file onto your C drive, that is the main drive of your system. Now another window pop up here. You can see there are so many temporary files over there. You all have to click one by one because you have to clean your PC. You have to select all the useless files there, and simply what you have to do, you simply have to click on OK, as I am showing you with the help of arrow, that these are the files which are just consuming your time and slow down your PC. Now select, after selecting all these files as I am showing you with the help of the circle, and simply after selecting all each one of them, you have to click on OK and delete file. Yes, you have to click here on delete files. It will delete all the useless files lying inside your PC and just blocking your speed. Now again you have to go to that start button as I am showing you with the help of arrow. Hit that and again write run, click enter, and you will get this small window again. Now here second word which you have to write is percentage temp percentage sign. So you have to remove, clean this one here and delete it, and then you have to write temp first, TEMP, and click on OK. It will show you the temporary files lying inside your memory and blocking all your speeds of the PC or laptop. This procedure can be followed both on laptop, also on PC, no issue, no problem. Now this procedure will not work in mobile, keep in mind. Now you have to delete. What you have to do, select all files and Alt A, Ctrl A and delete. It will delete all the temporary files as I am showing. Again you have to come back to the start button here, down, click on enter, write it and search run, RUN, and then enter. You will see again that small window pop up, and here you have to delete this word temp. Now what the another word we have to use is percentage, TEMP, means percentage temp percentage, and OK again. Here you can see I have written percentage temp, so I have to write percentage temp percentage. This is the command I have to give to the PC to clean all the useless files inside my PC, inside my hard disk. Here you can see the bunch of files lying which they are of no use at all and only blocking the speed of my PC. So these are the problems which a normal person cannot identify, and they say my PC or laptop is slow, man, what to do and how can I solve this problem? My PC and my laptop is not from a good company and it is not working properly. It is not a matter of a good or bad company. This is a matter that you are uploaded so many useless files inside your PC and memory, and that's why the speed of the PC gets slowed. Now here select all, delete, and you have to delete all these files. Few files cannot be deleted. It is used by the system, that's why leave them and close this window. Once more you have to go to the start in the same way as I am showing you with the help of arrow. Click on start, then run, then enter. Again write RUN, then enter, and this small window will pop up again, and now here you have to change this word again. Now here you have to write prefetch, PREFETCH. Write the spelling carefully, otherwise it will not going to work at all. PREFETCH, prefetch, and OK. Now see, there are so many files prefetch containing. So you have to select all, CTRL A, and delete. All these files will be deleted and your system gets a good speed when you restart the system. So you cannot restart right now because process is going on. You have to delete by CTRL A and then delete. Yes, it is all deleted, all files gone. And last time, once more you have to go to the start, and I am showing you with the help of arrow. Start, then run, then enter. Right here run, enter, and another last time this window is opening. Now here delete this name and write tree, TREE, and it will all complete the problems. After this you have to restart your PC and you will see the difference. Your PC will not going to hang anymore. You simply fix your problem by your own by following each and every important step shown in this video. That's why I told you all to please hit the subscribe bell and like below this video so that you never miss the update of the upcoming video that is of most important to you. So please hit the subscribe bell and like and share on WhatsApp group. Also follow my Facebook page, Instagram and thread pages, and also visit my daily motions and Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.